I'm telling you, bro. Like, I'm really getting tired of going to Dr. Stevens' class.
Calculus, so, bro, it's so unnecessary, bro, I swear.
Bro. And then, you know, we be sitting there, bro, and then it'd be no reason. Like, this
no
man don't talk, he don't teach.
No reason at all.
Bro, this flipped classroom crap, bro. Bro, we going right here through the back, though, bro. You always want to take the long way, bro. Come on, bro.
Hey, man. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Bro, for real, though, bro. This man don't teach, bro. Like, that flipped classroom stuff, bro, I hate it.
And calculus, being at the calculus doesn't make it any better because it doesn't pertain to my major. I don't even know why I'm in this class.
Thank you. Like, bro, when are you gonna actually use a limit in some bio stuff?
That's what I'm saying.
Like, what a limit deal with bio?
OT don't have to use it.
Pharmacy don't have to use it.
PT don't have to use it.
Healthcare don't use it.
Wow. What's up, Sam?
Dog. What you up to? Bro, we having freaking test next class.
Friday?
Yes.
Bro, we ain't learned nothing.
Bro, no, learn nothing. Hey, you did your first copies?
On us.
Bro, you know.
Hey, what does it do? Today?
Today? Like,
I can't do that. I'll take that up. I'll take that
You give
up.
us a correspondence every night. Like, bro, I only got your class today. Why you giving me correspondence?
So when we don't even got class, we got to do homework.
Yeah.
For something that we don't even need.
Hey, all weekend too. And we don't need.
Tell me like we ain't got no class.
Tell me this, though. What's your major?
Pharmacy.
Bro, when do we use this on freaking calculus stuff?
Never.
Thank you, bro. I'm gonna be putting the pills in the bottle. I don't need them.
For real.
Oh, here you go.
Bro, I know this man finna give us about 10 quiz and songs.
I know, that's in his nature.
Bro, we got the test Friday, bro.
So I know he's gonna give us a 5 quiz.
It quiz gonna be crazy too.
Yeah.
Bro, all right, everybody.
How you doing, Dr. Steve?
What's up? What's up? How y'all doing today?
Doing all right.
Y'all ready for that test coming up on Friday?
You always late.
What's your point? I got my degree.
You know what, Brian? You ain't gonna say nothing. What we doing?
Today we're going to be going over antiderivatives, derivatives, indefinite and definite integrals, also with limits.
We going on max and mins and stuff too, right? That's what you said last class.
Yes, sir.
Can I ask you a question, man, for real?
Yeah.
Where does this even deal with bio? Like, why am I in here?
That's not mine. This doesn't help me.
That's what I'm
So
saying.
you're a
Like,
bio major,
I'm
right?
fairly in class anyways.
You're a bio major, correct?
Yeah.
Which means you also have to take chemistry 1045 and 1046, correct?
Yeah.
Both of those include math, which is also using, help you calculate the limit to how many particles are also inside your equation.
You understood that, bro? Oh, can you at least, like, what's the point of us having this quiz if we don't even understand this stuff? Like, can you at least talk to us or something?
What does this have to do with our major? That's what I want to know.
I was gonna give y'all a quiz, but since it looks like nobody else showed up, I'm gonna give you these 3 practice problems so you can at least learn the basis of what your test is gonna be on Friday. Give me 1 second.
How you supposed to tell me what the heck? You better deal with bio too.
I will. First, I need to see if you can solve these problems right here.
Alright, we'll see.
3 minutes later. Alright, those 3 minutes up, y'all are done, right?
Somewhat.
What do you mean by somewhat? Did you get the first problem done?
I did.
How about you over there?
Huh?
That paper look a little bit blank to me.
Bro, can you just show us how to do this now?
Alright. Have y'all been doing my math lab at least?
Yeah.
Barely.
You don't even got my math lab, bro.
Alright, let me
Yeah,
do
I
like this.
snitch.
Alright, let me borrow one of your pencils so I can show you how to do it. Do y'all remember the formula for calculating a derivative or solving a derivative?
Nope.
Remember,
I
it's
remember,
the
yeah,
exponent
that
times
come in the front, yeah.
in the front or times the coefficient next to x and you bump down to
And
x.
then that drop down one, yup. I remember
So
that.
instead of 3x to the 4th, this would be
12x, yeah, to the third. And then that'd be 6x to the second. Then that'd be 10x. And then it'd be wouldn't that one be just 2?
And what about the 5?
and then the 5. That'd be
Oh,
0.
it goes away.
It turns
Constant.
0.
All right, see, y'all know how to do this. Y'all just didn't
Okay,
want to
so
do it.
we know how to do this one too. Let's do the antiderivative.
All right, let's go to the antiderivative. Do you remember the equation for the
Ain't
antiderivative?
it plus 1?
It's plus 1
N plus 1.
is n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So
Yeah.
you have 2x to the
Second.
divided by
N plus, 1 plus 1.
2.
so divided by 2. So these will cancel out.
And then X
So-
squared.
Plus
4, which is a constant though.
It's a constant, so it's 0.
no, this is the opposite.
Oh, it's
See, if I-
antiderivatives.
in the
Oh.
antiderivative, you're given an x because it doesn't have one, and so it'd be x to the first divided by 1. So it just be whatever.
Oh,
the
so
constant
would this
is
be
plus
4x?
Just 4x. And since we're doing this is an indefinite because I didn't tell you the value of what the x should be, it's always plus c for the constant.
True. Okay, I remember that.
So it's X squared plus 4X plus C.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
So can I ask you a question? Since we talking about antiderivatives and derivatives, how does this pertain to Bible?
All right. So calculus is pretty much the calculating the rate of change. You're a biology major, correct?
Yes, sir.
Which means you also have to take physics.
True.
Physics itself is the applied form of calculus. All right, so with biology, now you have the cells and all that.
Yes, sir.
And with cancer, with calculus, when you take the derivative, you calculate the rate of change. So when you take the derivative of the cancer cell, you're calculating the rate of change at how fast it's going to progress throughout the body.
True.
And then with the antiderivative, it's pretty much getting the original equation back, since calculus is pretty much a giant circle.
True. I understand what you mean. So I mean, couldn't we use the max and mins that we're finna do on this test as that also to show like, okay, like the max would be like I could put it on the graph, the limit itself, put it on the graph, and then it'd be like, okay, this is the max, this is the min.
Yeah, but max and min, you're going more with physics. So when you have a graph of the equation, you're trying to find at what point does the velocity reach its max and what point does it reach its min. You're going to have the local maxes, the extreme values, and your extreme, because that's going to help you calculate the points of intersection of the x and y lines.
I feel okay. That's right. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
All right, do y'all have any more questions about calculus and the applications for it?
No, sir. I think we're good. Ready for this test on Friday.
All right, I'm gonna have to let y'all go early, so I'm gonna give y'all some extra time to study. Take it easy. I'll see you Friday.
All right, Dr. Steve. I'm ready for this test. You done let me know how it applies to volume.
Bro,
we ready now.
hey, even though I ain't never gonna look at the cancer cells, but I mean, hey,
We ready now.
hey, we ready though.